Learn how to do the dips following these step-by-step techniques. The dips target three main muscle groups: the lower chest, the front shoulders, as well as the triceps. Introduction. Since dips is a multi-jointed exercise and is easy to overload, do about 6 to 12 reps. If it's too light, make sure you add some dumbbells. It'll be better if you have a weighted belt. Make sure you go heavy to hit about 6 to 12 rep range. Execution. First, find a dip bar or bars that's outside shoulder width. Push yourself up and curl your legs back, keeping your elbows straight. Slightly lean forward with chest in front of your shoulders. Keep your shoulders retracted and depressed for safety. Keep the tilt throughout and keep your shoulders down. Slowly lower to 90 degrees or deeper if possible. Press up like a suspended push-up. Keep your shoulders back and your upper back straight. Squeeze your chest together with your elbows as you come up. Some common mistakes. Pulling up too upright is not wrong, but targets the tricep more. Sinking too deep until your traps comes up to your ears. Third mistake, excessive flaring of elbows. The last common mistake is using leg momentum to push yourself up.